Kapalbhati Pranayam. Sitting in any comfort position with back straight. Now do abdominal breathing, slow abdominal breathing. Inhale, full your belly, while exhale, contract. Again, inhale. Now Kapalbhati, forcefully exhale. In, exhale forcefully. Passive inhalation and active exhalation. Focus on exhalation. After each round, just stay in comfort position and watch several breaths. Take deep and long breath and be relaxed.